Um, as you can see, there's a glare in my glasses. That's because, as you know, I need glasses to see, but without them, your girl can't see nothing. I'm like blind. So hopefully you guys can deal with that. Might not be able to see my eyes or whatever, so come closer. But anyways, this is a taste testing video. So what we're gonna be doing, I only got one item because that's all I can find. So we're gonna be taste testing, and this is something one of my friends taste tested in a video, and he was like, "Oh, I think it's sour cream with onion flavor," because he didn't see that on the bag. It said right here, garlic parmesan. But that's my friend for you. You know, I gotta help out. You know, gotta help out Tyler sometimes because Tyler Savage, he's not all the way there. You know. Oh, you like my earrings? Clear, glamorous earrings. Anyway, we're gonna get into this snack here. By the way, Tyler, that's your favorite. McChicken. Oh, and by the way, Tyler is boneless. Anyways, oh, and I got the little drinks that they got, the little blueberry slushy. Let's get into this pretzel crisp garlic parmesan cracker. It just says cracker. The original pretzel cracker. Ooh, it smells really good. I want to know what I mean. Dropped it on the floor. Oh well. This is what they look like. This is what they look like. Try to show them to y'all. And then I dropped them on the floor. Like, come on now. This is what they look like. Pick this up real quick. Your girl's clumsy. Dang it. Put this over here. Now, I'm gonna try this. Hopefully it's good. I do like crackers, and I do like pretzels. So, oh. Hey now. Wait a minute. Okay. Taste the salt. Taste the garlic. Taste the Parmesan cheese. Mmm. Y'all, it's my favorite snack. And there's a whole bunch in there, and I ain't gonna be silly. Try to show y'all. It all falls on the floor. But there's a lot in here. Mm. Hmm. Well, for anybody that likes pretzels and also crackers, and you never had pretzels and crackers mixed, try these. These are really good. And my friend, he suggested them to me because he said that when he tried them in his testing video, he said they were really, really, really good. Which I'm gonna link his video down below. So try these out. But anyway, that's all for today. So if you like this video, give it a like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. And right next to the subscribe button is a bell. So hit the bell so you can turn on your post notifications. So every time I post another video, you'll be notified. But for now, that's all. So I'll see you in my next video. Because right now, I have to set up my art stream for Twitch, which if you guys want to watch me, I stream every Saturday from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific time and 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern time on Twitch, which my Twitch name will be linked down in the description below, but it is MZICEE33. That's 33, which it's pronounced Miss IC, but since a couple of people can't pronounce it or my friend can't remember to call me Miss IC, he just calls me MZ. So if you want to call me Miss IC, it's fine. If you want to call me MZ, that's fine. So I'm about to get ready to do an art stream or Twitch. So if you want to head over there and watch me, you can. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.